my favourite supercar, and we have an unbelievable one here. This is the Ferrari F8 Spider. This vehicle's done 2,500 miles, finished in Giallo, which is a beautiful sports yellow colour. Carbon fibre absolutely everywhere on this car, internally, externally, and I'll show you. But to drive, what a car. 710 brake horsepower. I absolutely love this car. And the car's covered 2,500 miles. I'm going to show you the options on it because it is just got all the right features. What a car this is. It's done 2,500 miles. Just look at it. It is the colour, the specification. Now, when this car's been ordered, they've obviously just been carbon fibre mad because they've just put it everywhere. Front splitter, even front bumper inserts here. And the front of the car, look at it, these lights and everything is stunning. Even all the different air takes, so the bonnet in there has been done in carbon as well. It just breaks the car up, and I think what I like about the Spider, when the roof comes down, you can see, you know, the yellow stitching, it all works. Scuderia shields, 20-inch forged wheels, ceramic brakes as standard. The calipers have been done in gloss black as an option, but it is just a work of art. I just love these cars. Side intakes, carbon fibre, moving around again. And then even the big rear diffuser, finished in carbon. You've got them sports exhaust tips finished in black. It is a fabulous car. Look at them LED lights at the back. Maintenance package, you'll have 7 years remaining. You'll have your Ferrari warranty remaining as well for 2 years. But the car is exceptional. It's done 2,500 miles. Performance, power, looks, and this one is about the spec as well. It's got the front lifter at the front, very, very important optional extra. So it's got the nose lift. And then look at it inside. Again, absolutely stunning. So you've got the Daytona style seats, which are fully electric with memory. You've got all the carbon fibre throughout. So you've got the carbon fibre driver zone with the LED lights, carbon across the dashboard, and then you've got that yellow stitching which runs throughout. You've got the horses on the seats, parking sensors front and back with camera. So it's got the things that are important as well to drive in the car as opposed to just out and out performance. You've got the, like I said, the lifter, the camera. If I put it in reverse, I'll show you where the camera is. Just goes on there, on that screen. You've got 2 digital screens. You've got all your different, you know, race modes. I'm just going to put it back into, but the car is fabulous. Look at this. It's just the attention to detail, the carbon fibre, the display, steering wheel, yellow stitch there as well. It's a fabulous, fabulous example. It's done 2,500 miles. We'll price it to sell. Somebody will see that it's got the specification because there's other cars available which haven't got the spec that this car's got. It's priced to sell. Yeah, what an example. It's stunning. I'm just going to put the roof back up as well and just show you it with the roof. Any questions, you can just call me direct. Daytona style seats as well are very, very comfortable. The right colour as well, I think, with them being black with yellow stitching. There might be a few extras that I've missed. Obviously you have the Ferrari plaque here under the bonnet, which I will show you before we finish this video. You've got the cover there, look, everything's still in it. But there you go. adaptive front lights as well, calipers, carbon fibre, the lifter, everything is on there. What a car. It's going live on the website. Thank you for watching.